Hello, everybody. This is Joshua Hayes at BigWaveTrading.com and BigWaveTrading.net coming to you with the May 19th stock market wrap up for you to use for the 20th. First off, I want to let you guys know I don't feel really good today. I was sick. I slept in late because I had a tough time sleeping because of my stomach. Nothing I can do, but I never miss a day, ever. No matter how sick or how bad I am. Even the day I got the spinal tap and they told me to not raise myself from a flat position, I worked and got my work done. Of course, though, somebody had to complain, thinking, why don't you get your work done on time? I don't feel good. You got to give me a break. I ask you, since I started this website, have I ever missed a single day of the stock market? No. Since 2006, when we started on Investors Paradise, to now 2009, I have not missed one single stock market session. Yeah, granted, it's very possible that I'd say about 5 to 10 times where I didn't do anything during the day to update the site. But did I scan my charts, enter my orders, and give you my longs and sells and shorts? Absolutely. And that I will always do. So I do apologize, everybody. Anyway, let's go to the market. You can see intraday, kind of negative at the end. We were looking to close the high day, came back. Still a positive day, up 0.13%. NASDAQ ends up showing positive divergence against S&P 500, which closes down just 0.17%. The lower volume should give you comfort that the pullback wasn't that bad. On the New York Stock Exchange, you can see it was up 0.11, lower volume. Overall, it's just a day of just consolidating gains from the previous uptrend in April. We're doing an excellent job. We didn't sell off more than, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more than 5.6% on the indexes. And it just looks good overall. Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJ30, well above the 50-day moving average, crawling along. You can see prices squeezing in between the 50 and 200-day moving average. So a big important move, either up or down, is going to be coming pretty soon. I have a feeling it's going to be up because of the way that the charts look. If the charts didn't look like they do right now, with green and Maxstream Bop charts starting to show up everywhere, still no perfect breakouts. But remember, guys, those usually come after the full-fledged follow-through, and then they show up for years and years to come. We're still waiting for the hardcore, oh my gosh, this market's blasting off, as we haven't seen any volume like we did in September, October, anywhere from March to May. So we're still waiting for that. S&P 600, down 0.4%. You can see the bullish tail intraday. Mid-cap, you can see the overall great price action intraday, consolidating gains. No complaints whatsoever. I have nothing to complain about. 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average, if the NASDAQ can hold above it, that would be extremely bullish. I would love to see volume come in. But even if it doesn't, look at the volume the past 2 days. And look at the amount of stocks in my scans. 46, 65, 82, 35, 63, 84 here. Perfect speculator scan 114, up exactly 12 of 15, up there's 80 in there. Short scan 7442, that's it. There's a stunning amount of activity in my scans. However, I only have 2 new longs for tonight. Both are speculative. But there's stocks out there like Asia that people want to go long. Why won't I go long it? Because on an arithmetic chart, look at how choppy the base is. Look at that base. Compare that pattern to something like Ruth. Look at how tight Ruth is. Look at how tight and beautiful and green and just excellent that looks. I mean, there's a lot of reasons to really like that chart. But Asia, I don't know. There sure is a lot of red there. Sure is a lot of funky price action. You guys, if you want to go for it, you can. Me, I'm going to stick to stocks that look like Ruth. I'd much rather focus on those. A lot of nice stocks. Like I said, part 1, I don't want to waste too much time. Platinum holding, moving up a little bit. Silver. Wow, very nice day for silver. Gold, nice day overall. Open close to the low a day. Rally the rest of the day. Off the highs of 929.90. But still, 926 close is very good overall. And 2 of our new longs happen to be from the gold mining area. Not going to say what they are here in part 1. But they're both very nice. And you guys might recognize both of them, as we were once both long both of them. As we were once all long both of them, excuse me. Anyway, we're going to wrap it up there. I don't feel too good. I'm sure you can probably hear it in my voice. part 2, we'll go over our 2 new longs. We have a partial sell, and we got a 40% gain, 80% of margin in that one, and then a full cover that I believe hits us for about a 5 to 10% loss. Maybe not. Final loss is going to be with the cut over the 50-day moving average, but we're going to go ahead and get rid of all of it before it gets there. So expect 4 stocks to go over in part 2, and then the rest of part 2 into part 3 will just be these beautiful green charts like Ruth that we still need to set up. They need a month to 2 months, weeks to 5 weeks, 6 weeks. But if they do and when they do set up, they will be beautiful. I'm still waiting to buy some perfect stocks, but recently I have gone long a stock that looked near perfect. It was up at one point over 10% today. Didn't close up that much, but still, it's up around 8% 2 days. And of course, you remember our AVNR yesterday, 48%. I told you to take half of it off at the $5 area, or $1.50 area, or in the morning. If you did, you probably got a 45% gain in one day. Way to go. It's been very fun out there. So the market's fun right now. I got a lot of bullish charts. Video 2 and video 3 will be long for one reason. We got a lot of stocks to go over. Okay, guys. Thank you for dealing with my uneasiness today. I bet you I'll be back full force in about 2 days. Tomorrow I'll probably be a little sluggish. Still get all my work done like always. And then I'll be back in the game. So thank you everybody for understanding, and I apologize because our number 2, Chris May, boss market speculator, was in Boston today. So he wasn't around and I wasn't around. I apologize. However, I have a lot of faith in my platinum members. I don't think they even need me anymore. Well, some of them do, but there's a lot that don't need me anymore. So thank you for staying. Okay, part 2 and part 3 is next. Aloha.